Hi guys, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I'm going to make raw mango rasam. Now the mango season is on, so you can relish this dish, which can be served with hot rice. I've taken 2 tablespoons of mango. Only this much portion of totapuri mango I have taken. Peeled the skin and chopped it. Salt, ghee, curry leaves, and green chilli, jaggery, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and methi seeds, hing powder, turmeric powder, rasam powder 1.5 teaspoon I have taken. Now we'll cook the mango with water. The mango is cooked nicely. I have mashed it. Now we'll pass it through a sieve or we can grind to a smooth paste after cooling this. The mango is cooled down. Now I had prepared 2 tablespoons of tura dal, pressure cooked it. Now from that I have taken around 2 ladle full of dal in it. My grandmother used to say if you are preparing any mango curry, you have to put a piece of tamarind also. I don't know the reason behind it, so I'm adding that small piece of tamarind in it to grind it along with the mango. I'm adding the curry leaves, green chilli in it, the jaggery, turmeric powder and hing powder, salt. Now we will bring this to a boil. We'll add little water in this. When it comes to a boil, we'll add the rasam powder and water accordingly. This has come to a boil, rolling boil. Now we'll add the rasam powder. While adding the rasam powder, I always mix this with water and add it, otherwise lumps will form if you add it directly. Now we'll add the required amount of water. The rasam has come to a boil. We'll remove from the gas. Now we'll prepare the tadka. Garnish with coriander leaves. For the tadka, I will add some ghee in the tadka pan. Add the mustard seeds. Cumin seeds and the methi seeds. Curry leaves. And the chilli. Pinch of asafoetida. Tadka is ready. We'll pour it in the rasam. So our raw mango rasam is ready to serve along with rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.